Hi, this is Mastan. Today we're discussing turn off methods of SCR. So previous class we're discussing turn on methods of SCR. So now what are the turn off methods of SCRs? So we discuss one by one. So here turn off methods. So turn on methods means there is different methods are there. The turn off the SCR. So why you should turn off that SCR? Suppose by giving DC supply to that SCR continuously to turn on. So there is no turn off state by giving the DC supply. So during that time, during that conditions, the SR becomes is in off state. SR become a on state, but it is not happening by giving the DC supply. Suppose if you give in the AC supply, AC means alternating AC supply, that is alternating current during fast off cycle, during negative off cycle, different conditions. So during fast off cycle means what? SR is in on state. So at the end of every fast off cycle, the current values are zero. During that zero current, automatically SR is in off state. There is no use separate circuits, separate elements to require to turn off that SR. So it is a basic idea to turn off that by depends upon input supplies given to that SCR. So there is some methods or separate circuits are to implement to turn off SCR, or there is no requirement separate methods to turn off that SCR. So depends upon the supply. So finally, what I'm saying is turn off the SCR. So turn off SCR means what? The flow of anode current from the flow of anode current is nearly equal to zero. Means there is no current flow through the anode terminal in SCR. That is simply say that SCR is in off state. So how it is happening? How it is happening? So these process is called as a turn off process. So turn off process are three methods are there. One is here turn on method is also called as a commutator. Commutator means the flow of current from one thyristor, the flow of anode current is nearly equal to zero. It is also called as a uh, commutator. Or one more definition of commutator is the flow of current of the path of current from the flow of current of thyristor it changes from one thyristor to another thyristor is also called as a commutations. So finally, commutation also same as turn off. So there is three methods. Three methods are there. Commutation methods. The first method is natural commutation, second forced commutation, and third dynamic commutations. So natural commutation means it is very simple. Natural commutation means by giving AC supply. By giving AC supply. So see here, turn off process of SCR is called commutation. The term commutation means the transfer of current from one path to another. The transfer of current from one path to another is also called as a commutation. To turn off the conducting SCR, below conditions must be satisfied. One is anode current of SCR must be reduced to zero or below the level of holding current. What I'm saying, anode current of SCR below the holding current. Holding current always very less compared to latching. So the anode current below the holding current means simply say that SCR is in off state. And second one is a sufficient reverse voltage must be applied across SCR to regain its forward blocking state. A sufficient reverse voltage must be applied across SCR to regain its forward blocking state is also called as a commutation. So let us discuss one by one. There is three methods, three commutations are there. We discuss only two commutations. One is natural commutation, second is forced commutation. So what is meant by natural commutation? So natural commutation means if the SR is connected to AC supply, if you take AC supply means what I'm saying, what we know about AC supply, alternating fast off cycle, negative off cycle, fast off cycle, negative, it should be repeated up to by giving the supply. It is happening in, it is present in AC supply. So during every fast off cycle, SR automatically comes in on state. At end of every fast off cycle, the positive voltage, positive current becomes zero. So during the state only SR automatically turn off. Okay, so what about negative off cycle? Negative voltage applied across SCR automatically is in also off state. So there is no separate requirements to turn off that SCR by giving with the presence of natural combinations. So it is happening in. So see, this method combination is also called as a source combination or line combination, and means natural combination also called as a line combinations, or it is also called as a class F combination. So this combination is possible with line commutated inverters, the application of natural combinations, commutated inverters, control rectifiers, cyclic converters, AC voltage regulators, because the supply is AC source in all these converters. So let's suppose if we take inverters, control rectifiers, and cyclic converters and AC voltage regulators. So if we take all the converters, the input supply is AC. So it is also called as a natural combinations. There is no another requirements to turn off the SCR. To turn off the SCR. See that it is a diagram of this. It is AC supply is given to the SCR symbol. It is a load is connected. It is a diagram of this. So voltage diagram, input AC supply. So positive half cycle, negative half cycle, positive half cycle. During the positive half cycle, we should apply gate signal to the SCR. Automatically is in a on state. So we are getting some load current. During positive half cycle, the load current is presented. At end of every positive half cycle, it should be zero current. So it is negative half cycle. Negative half cycle means anode is connected negative with respect to cathode. Automatically the SR is in off state. So there is no load current. Simply clear. It is a diagram equal to the rectifier also. Simply what I am saying in natural combination means the input supply is AC. So during that AC supply, so during the positive cycle, for SR comes in forward blacking state. Once the gate signal is given to that SCR, automatically SR is in a SR state from blacking mode to the on state. So during that on state, SCR allows current from that source to through load. So load current is flows. So here the load current is already represented. So during that positive half cycle, during that every end of negative half cycle, every end of positive half cycle, the negative half cycle will start. So negative voltage is presented across SCR. Automatically SCR is in a off state. So there is no load current flow through during every negative half cycle. So it is called as a natural combinations. There is no special requirement to turn off the SCR. So directly given to that AC supply is given to the SCR, automatically at each end of every negative half cycle, automatically SR is in off state. So it is called as a natural combinations. Coming to forced combinations. So forced combination means the input supply is DC only. So once the supply is DC, automatically the SR will not comes in off state. So by what is the reason? DC means constant magnet is given to that every instant of time to that devices of any devices. So it is a property about a DC. So during that time, SR will not comes in off state. So what is happening? There is a conduction losses presented. So there is no use. The lifetime also decreases compared to whatever manufactured design initially. So by using these type of combinations, these type of supplies given to that SCRs, automatically the lifetime conduction loss is also lifetime is also decreases. Conduction loss also more. So the losses also more. What is happening? There is no our requirement will not getting. So it is major reason to turn off the SCRs with the presence of DC supply. So during that, so here we consider forced combination. Forced combination. What is combination? The transfer of current from one path to another path, or the thyristor current, the anode current of thyristors is very less than to the holding current is also called as a commutations. Clear? So forced combination. Forced combination means the presence of supply is DC only. Clear? Okay. So here the forward current must be forced to zero with external circuits. In these combinations, there is some external circuits to be implemented to commutate that SCR. To commutate that SCR, that is called as a forced. Natural means there is no external circuits. Forced means we require some external circuits to turn off that SCR. We require some special circuits to turn off that SCR. So what are the commutation circuits? Commutating elements. Commutating elements are to consider two elements. One is inductor and capacitor. So by connecting inductor capacitor, either series or parallel, whatever combinations to connect to the SCR is in series or parallel, whatever configurations, automatically that type of circuits are connected to the input supplies DC. So during that time, in the presence of commutating elements, automatically SR is in a off state. So by connecting commutating elements only. What are the commutating elements? Inductor and capacitor, very important. Commutating elements are inductor, capacitor connected in series combinations or parallel combinations are to be connected to the SCR. Automatically SCR is in a off state. That means the reverse voltage present across SCR, immediately the current is in SCR is become zero. So it is a process of forced combination. Forced combination means separately connected to the circuits. To form a circuit, what are the elements are considered to taken as inductor and capacitor. So these two elements are called as a commutating elements. Inductor, capacitor elements are called as a commutating elements. So commutating elements are connected to the SCR. Okay. So what are the applications of forced combination where we have to use the means? Um, that is choppers. So chopper, if you take any chopper, one type of PE converter. So chopper means it converts fixed DC to variable DC. So input supply DC. So automatic compulsory you should require some special external elements to connect that SCR to turn off the SCR. Okay. So here the forced combination again classified as so many types, that is depends upon LC are connected the configurations. So here that type of combination is those are class A, class B, class C, class D and class C combinations. So these combinations class A, B, C, D, E, the next class we discuss one by one. Class A combinations, class B combinations, class C and class D, class C. Okay. So today class we discuss recall what we discussed, that is recall means um, turn off SCR. Turn off means the flow of current from one path to another path. The anode current becomes zero, or the anode current is less than holding current, or it is equal to zero. It is called as a turn off. So how it is turn off? There is two methods: natural combinations and forced combinations. Natural combination means what? Input supply AC. Forced combination input supply DC. AC there is no external circuits. DC they require external circuits. That is only. So what are the examples of combinating elements? Inductor and capacitor. So the connections of LNC with SCR, the combinations are forced combinations are classified as class A, class B, class C, and class D and class F. So these topics are discussed next coming classes. Thank you.